Hi and welcome to this practice. My name is Rodi and I will guide you through a quick and relaxing practice. So grab your mat and let's begin. We'll start in a comfortable sitting position. We'll sit crossed legs or you can sit on your heels, whatever feels comfortable and allows you to keep the spine straight. Okay? Let's close the eyes and just take a deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. Really allow your body and your mind to drop into this moment and be here and bring the attention to your body or the awareness to your body away from the thoughts and the mind and all the chattering. Just be here. Let's take a deep breath in through the nostrils and out through the mouth. Right. Allow your forehead, your eyes, your shoulders to just drop down and be relaxed. Deepen your breath and observe how with each breath your body becomes more relaxed, more present. I invite you to do this practice anytime you feel the need to drop into a 5 minutes quick relaxation. Okay. Still keeping the eyes closed, okay? If you need to open them just to see the exercise, open them and then close them back again. So keeping the eyes closed, we'll start moving our body in circles. So pressing the sit bones down to the ground, starting the movement from the hips and moving up in a spiral, just feeling the muscles awaken and just moving the body. Also do the movement that feels good, like feels that this is what I need in this moment. I need to move slower, I need to move deeper, maybe I need to open my chest more, maybe I need to roll my back. Roll and round the back. Still keeping the awareness to a deep breath, okay? So keeping inhaling through the nostrils, maybe exhaling through the nostrils, but if it feels more relaxing, you can still exhale through the mouth as well. If you moved through the same direction, let's switch direction. Just these spiral movements with your spine coming from the hips up to your neck and head. Keep the shoulders relaxed, the arms relaxed, everything is relaxed. Amazing. Okay, let's come back to center. Just shake it a little bit. Nice. Inhale and raise the arms up. Exhale, bring the left hand down to the side, a little bit away from the body, so don't keep it like close to the body, just a little bit away. Drop the shoulder as well, don't stay with the shoulder up to your ear. And open all the way up through the right arm, okay, that comes diagonally above your head. Just really, really stretch that right side. Okay, still keeping the sit bones down on the ground, okay, pressing with your sit bones down and reaching up with your right arm. Okay, deep breaths. One more. Amazing. Let's come back to the center and switch sides. Inhale again, arms up. Really, really elongate the spine, reach up. Exhale, go to the other side. Pressing with the sit bones down. And the left arm reaching up. I still invite you to close your eyes and really, really be present here with the movement, with your body. Really nice. Come back to the center. Okay, roll your shoulders back a little bit. Nice, shake it. Okay, let's come to hands and knees. And we'll do a little bit of cat and cow here, just to really release any tension we might have in our backs and spine. Okay, inhale, drop the belly down, head up. Exhale, round the back, chin to the chest. Again, down and up. One more. And up. That last one. Inhale, drop the belly down. And arch the spine, chin to the chest. Nice. Come with your back in a neutral position. Keep the hips above the knees and extend the arms to the front and bring the forehead down to the ground. A really nice extension and elongation of the spine, creating some space between the vertebrae. Keep reaching forward with your hands and with your arms, really feeling the stretching in arms and the stretching of the back as well. Beautiful. Let's come back up. Okay, bring the big toes together. Open the knees to the sides of the mat. And go and sit on the heels. Come again with your forehead down to the ground. Extend the arms to the front. This is really, really relaxing posture. Extended child's pose. Whenever you feel like you are too much in the mind and you lost connection, and you just need to bring your feet down to the ground, and just come into this posture. It's just a nice child's pose with your forehead touching the ground, really grounding yourself and centering yourself here. We are still inhaling deeply through the nostrils and exhaling. Let's just stay here a few more moments. Stay into the body, feel the body. Feel the breath. Feel the air coming in and out your body. The whole body is nice and relaxed. So even if you don't have time to do all of these 10 minutes of practice, when you feel a need, you can just drop into a child's pose. Okay, just get down to the ground, bring your forehead to the ground. You can even lie all the way down to your belly, just to really feel that connection. And really bring the attention to the connection points between your body and the ground beneath you. Your arms, your forehead, your knees, your legs. Just a few more breaths here. Beautiful. And slowly start walking the hands closer to the body, maybe in line with your head. And from here, really slowly pressing with the palms of your hands on the mat. Keep the eyes closed and lift your forehead up. And slowly, slowly come up with your torso. Maybe keep the chin towards the chest. Really allow your blood to go down from your head. And then slowly, slowly, maybe bring your gaze up as well. Still keeping the eyes closed. If you feel any dizziness or anything uncomfortable, just bring your chin down to the chest. Stay there. Okay, eyes closed. Let's inhale and bring the arms up. Really elongate the back, reach up. Palms together. Exhale, palms down in front of your heart. Slowly opening the eyes. Thank you for being with me today, and I will see you in the next practice. Namaste. Bye bye.